So you might be wondering how to exactly add Google login to your Lovable app here. Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So the whole idea starts outside of Lovable. Now, inside Google's ecosystem here, before anything else can connect, Google needs to recognize your app as a real project. So you need to head over to Google Cloud Platform and either create a new brand or brand new project or reuse one you've already have. Now, this project is basically Google's way of knowing who's asking for permission to let people sign in with their Google accounts. Now, once a project exists, you set up what's called an OAuth consent screen. So this is the screen people see when Google asks them if they want to sign in using your app. Here, you add things like your app's name, logo if you want to have one, and a support email to so everything looks legit and trustworthy. Now, after all of that, generate an OAuth credentials. This is where Google gives you a client ID and a client secret. This is like a keys that allows your app to talk to Google security. Now, when creating these credentials, you choose web application as an app type here. App type. So since Lovable apps run on the web, and you then tell Google where your app lives by adding your Lovable apps URL under authorization JavaScript origins. Now you also paste it in a redirect URL that comes from your base, which tells Google where to send someone after they successfully signed in. Now, inside Superbase here, the Superbase dashboard specifically, you go to authentication settings and open the providers section. Now, this is where Superbase acts as the middle layer that handles login logic for your app. Now, you enable Google as a provider and paste in the client ID and client secret you got earlier from Google Cloud. Now, one really important detail here is making sure that redirect URL in Superbase matches exactly what you entered in Google Cloud. Even a small mismatch can cause the login to fail. So this is also the point where you set your site URL in Superbase so people get redirected back to the correct page after signing in. Now, with Google and Superbase now talking to each other properly, the final step is tying everything into Lovable. Inside the Lovable app here, you add a Google Sign option to your login or sign up screen. Lovable handles the UI side for you, so you don't need to manually design or write up complicated logic. When someone clicks the Google button here, Lovable triggers web-based authentication flow, which then talks to Google behind the scenes. If everything is set up correctly, the person signs in with their Google account and lands right back into your app and already authenticated. Now, once this is in place, sign in becomes much faster and smoother. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.